Okay, I got my pop-up veneers today. I'm going to do a review on this. They came in this kind of container in the plastic thing. There's the veneers. And we're going to see if this actually works like they say that it does. Okay. Okay, this must be the tops. Oh my God. Look. This is like not happening. What? Oh my God. Well, it sure is different, but they do fit, as they promised. What do you think about my smile? I reckon this is the bottom ones. It feels like the bottom ones. Maybe I got them on the opposite. Well, there's my pop-on veneers. Absolutely. I love them. Let me see what they look like in the mirror. Wow. Wow. Well, I guess these are the right ones. Wow. Yep. That's them. And here is, this is your extra pair that you get. That if you need another set, all you do is text or contact them, let them know you need a set. Send these in, and then you go ahead and order them. Now, they're going to fit tight when you first try them on because you're not used to them being on your teeth. But I think with a little bit of me getting used to them, I think that they will be okay. There's cleaner in here that you clean them with. You get a toothbrush with it to brush them with. Keep them nice and pretty. These would be perfect if you could eat with them. They'd be perfect. But I've actually never had teeth this pretty before. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, there you have it. I guess they do work after all. I thought it was just a commercial. But, okay. Popupveneers.com, your smile. These are the real deal. These are not like the ones you get off of the YouTube, Temu or anything like that. This is them. They really feel like porcelain teeth. They're really, they fit. You don't have to put them in hot water to soften them up before you put them in your mouth to adjust them. These already are pre-adjusted. And the reason mine feels tight is because I have no back teeth back here. And I've not had any back teeth for a while, so they feel sort of funny. So that's going to be maybe your situation. If you don't have teeth up here or back here, not used to having any, they're going to feel tight and feel funny. But you also have a guarantee. But there you have it. Thank you a lot. Have a beautiful smile. Thank you. Bye.